If you give me the next 8 minutes, I'm going to change the way you look at your home permanently. Not by selling you throw pillows, not by convincing you to buy a $700 ceramic bowl from an influencer. I'm here to help you reclaim something most of us didn't even realize we lost. Let me ask you, with love, does your home actually know you? Or does it look like an Airbnb starter pack beige edition? Or worse, Target at 2 p.m. during a sale. I blacked out and came home with 3 identical baskets for reasons I can't explain. Or maybe you've got the holy trinity of generic decor. A fake plant, abstract art canvas with no meaning, and a live, laugh, love sign that you don't even believe. Hands up if you ever walked into your own place and felt like a visitor. Yeah, that was me a few years ago. On paper, I was killing it. I had a great job, respectable place, everything tasteful. People walked in, wow, so clean, so modern. Translation, so soulless. I'd sink into my perfectly neutral couch after a long day, stare at my perfectly neutral walls besides my perfectly neutral furniture, and feel this quiet unraveling. Why does everything feel so unclaimed? I blame stress, Instagram, even low iron. But the truth, we are spiritually homeless in houses we technically own. Slow the rhythm. For 99% of human history, homes weren't decorated, they were consecrated. In colonial Mexico, haciendas with saint icons created a daily dialogue with the lineage. In Mayan households, corn altars teetering living to ancestors. Italian kitchens known as 40-year-old wooden spoons like family swords. In Ghana, stools passed down generations, thrones of memory. Even Midwestern America, duct tape toolboxes holding 3 generations of screws and emotional repression. Those weren't luxuries, those were lifelines. Now, we've traded inherited relics for Amazon deliveries, consecrated spaces for curated feeds. A 2023 UNESCO report found that 60% of urban dwellers feel rootless, fueling a 25% rise in identity linked with anxiety. The lie we've been sold, blank walls equals freedom. They don't. Blank walls equals erasure. Let's enter the lineage design. Not aesthetics, not what's trending. Architecture of memory. Lineage design means embedding your heritage into your space so it becomes an active philosophy, a room that remembers you back. Let me tell you when it hit me. I explored my family's ancient hacienda in Jalisco, a sturdy adobe, partially consumed by time. I anticipated a cinematic enchantment. Got dust, hot dust, and curiosity until I found it. My grandmother's molcajete, a grinding stone bowl for chiles, garlic, survival, worn down, scarred, heavy. I picked it up and felt her hands inside mine. Memory with mass? It didn't whisper. Isn't heritage beautiful? It commanded. Get up, endure. You come from people who didn't flinch. That molcajete now sits in my kitchen, not decor, instruction. So, how do you start your own lineage design? No vision boards, no $200 sage bundles, just 3 moves. Start tonight. Move 1. Decode your heritage footprint. Forget Ancestry.com. This is philosophy. Grab a notebook. Ask, what values were forged in my family's struggle? What did they turn to when life got hard? What object, big or small, tells that story? Perhaps it's a rosary from your Catholic grandmother, a fishing knife from your grandfather's stock, that Tupperware your Caribbean aunt stored everything in, or the friendship bracelet from your chosen sister that got you through your divorce. Maybe a library book that changed how you saw yourself. Blood or chosen family, it shaped you. It counts. Your relic is your anchor. Claim it. Step 2, build your living altar, not a shrine, a philosophical anchor that speaks back, with 3 rules: an intentional placement where you'll see it daily, 1 shelf at most for those who can't stand clutter. Sensory activation, touch, scent, and sound. A 2020 University of Toronto study found that touching ancestral artifacts boosts oxytocin, the belonging hormone, by 15%, and 2018 research showed aromas retrieve memories 35% faster than visuals. Try this. Simmer your grandmother's stew. Burn that incense your dad hated, but you love now. Or if no family sense, find one that feels like home to you. My trouble spots and fixes. My altar got dusty. Choose one object that won't collect dust. My roommate thinks it's weird. Frame it as a personal art installation. Traumatic family history, honor the resilience, not the pain. Final step, recreate your lineage soundtrack. Every family has a sound that meant we're together now. Italians, Sunday sauce simmering. Black families, gospel while cleaning. Mexican homes, onions hitting hot oil at 7 a.m. Immigrant parents, that accent-thick phone call every Sunday. Your chosen family, the laughter from that one road trip. Pick one sound, play it weekly, let your walls observe it. That's acoustic ancestry. In 6 months, my anxiety went down 40%. That visitor feeling gone. My space became my co-author of my life. When I fail now, the molcajete sits there. Oh, you're tired? Cute. I survived revolutions. A 2024 study found that ancestral attunement reduces chronic stress by 22%. Translation: your grandma's spoon is better than therapy. Real talk. It wasn't Instagram perfect. Early altars got dusty, scents overpowered tiny apartments. My Mexican friend said, "Why are you pretending to be spiritual? Let's go out tonight." But persistence turned effort into essence. So here's my invitation, not homework, a dare. Tonight, pick one object, a letter, a photograph, a tool, a necklace, a burnt wooden spoon that survived the 1998 lasagna incident. Place it deliberately, look at it, ask it, what philosophy do you carry? And am I living it? Because at some point, you have to choose. Do you want to live in a decorated house or a consecrated one? One that stores you, one that remembers you. Who's ready to philosophize their own space?